Let's go straight across to Shreya. Shreya, you've been covering Delhi polls since day one now. As far as this year is concerned, it was an intense high decibel campaign in Delhi. Just 24 hours to go now. The big question really is, will Aam Aadmi Party get a third term? Will BJP make a comeback? Or can Congress regain its lost foothold?
Of course, to answer that question, I am here at Lajpat Nagar's famous eatery, Moolchand's Paratha, to speak to people here, to speak to the locals here. What do they think about the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections? Sir, कल चुनाव है, क्या लगता है क्या होने वाला है?
चुनाव बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है इस बार बहुत अच्छी तगड़ी कंपटीशन है बीजेपी और कांग्रेस के बीच में। आप तो नहीं आएगी, ये तो पक्का है।
सर, आपको क्या लगता है?
जहाँ तक आप आ सकती है, क्योंकि आपने किया है यहाँ पे।
आप खुश हो with the kind of work Mr. Kejriwal has done in the Delhi?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
What kind of work do you think has been substantially done by Aam Aadmi Party?
लाइक इन्होंने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का भी बहुत वो करा, तो उसके चक्कर में बहुत लोग जो है उसके करेंगे सपोर्ट उसके चक्कर में।
Right, and I'll also ask my camera person to show the legendary parathas here that are being made. Of course, these are generously stuffed parathas with the tangy pickles and the creamy curd. It also makes me feel very nostalgic because my college, Lady Shri Ram College, is just a short walk from here, and I'm also joined by some other people here who are gorging on the delicious parathas here. I'll ask my camera person to come and zoom in on the parathas while I talk to them. Sir, क्या लगता है इस बार के इलेक्शंस में क्या होने वाला है?
इस बार जो भी होगा कुछ अलग ही होगा। इस बार अभी तक तो केजरीवाल की सरकार थी। जो जनता है अभी केजरीवाल से इतनी खुश नहीं है, अब कुछ बदलाव चाहते हैं।
क्यों खुश नहीं है सर?
जी, मैं संगम विहार एरिया में रहता हूँ। वहाँ पर नाली सड़कें की जो सुविधा होनी चाहिए थी उस प्रकार के नहीं है। रोड ख़राब है, नाली का पानी रोड पे बह रहा है, कीचड़ है, बारिश हो जाती है उसमें भी बहुत दिक्कत हो जाती। तो इस वजह से मैं केजरीवाल सरकार से खुश नहीं।
तो आप बोल रहे हो कि बीजेपी और कांग्रेस का तगड़ा फाइट होने वाला है और लोग थोड़ा बीजेपी की तरफ फेवर करें, ये लगता है आपको?
सॉरी,
बीजेपी की तरफ फेवर करें?
हाँ जी, सब।
And I'm also joined by a very young person here. What do you think? For how long have you been living in Delhi?
Few months.
Few months. Do you like the infrastructural developments that have taken place?
Sure, the metro stations are very clean actually, and
What do you think about women's security?
I don't know about that. I have not traveled so much in Delhi.
सर, आपको क्या लगता है कल चुनाव है, कल
Kejriwal given benefit to the poor and pensions etc.
But sir, now BJP and Congress, they are also offering the same freebie.
They are only saying.
They are only saying. But you think that Mr. Kejriwal will deliver?
Yeah, please.
So, of course, as you heard from the people, that they are divided, but there is a level of dissatisfaction also with the kind of work that Aam Aadmi Party has done and the kind of work that are yet to be done, the unresolved civic issues that continue to plague the national capital. Tomorrow is the D-Day. It is over to the voters to decide who will continue to be in power or who will bring a comeback, be it Congress or BJP. They have been out of power for years now, and while we continue to enjoy the Moolchand Paratha here and sip on some of the hot tea, the piping hot tea here, the voters are gearing up to cast their vote tomorrow. And yesterday we saw high octane campaigning coming to an end, the political leaders giving their final attempt to woo the voters. Now it is going to be over to the voters to decide who will come to power in the national capital, and the results will be on the 8th of February.
Right, Shreya. Thank you for giving us that chat around chai and paratha and giving us a sense of the mood surrounding the voters just ahead of polls. Of course, Delhi going to polls tomorrow.